Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of ICE network. We will check the token listing inside Uniswap, inside Ethereum blockchain. Further, we will check a new updates about daily face verification. As you know, miners are just verifying their face daily. What is the problem? I just got a new update from the developer side. So further, we will just check what things we need to do before token listing inside Uniswap. So the whole thing I will cover inside this video because this is one of the important news about ICE network. Don't skip any part of the video if you're mining ICE. And now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about ICE network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale project, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So now let's talk about the new updates about the token listing, token distribution inside Ethereum blockchain. Okay, steps required before we start the ICE distribution on Ethereum blockchain and Uniswap listing. Okay, number one, rule the KYC step 1 to 100% of Android and web iOS version. Step 2, release and start the KYC. Step 2, Step 3, Ethereum smart contract audit. So we need to complete these 3 points in order to see the token listing inside Ethereum, inside Uniswap. So first of all, everyone should complete their first KYC. Everyone, 100% of the users should complete their KYC step 1. So the step 2, it means that I can say the KYC step 2 should start, like just verifying your identity. And then step 3, Ethereum smart contract audit. So once we complete these 3 points, and then we will see the token listing inside Ethereum. Ethereum is a blockchain. ICE network, the project just launched inside Ethereum blockchain. So that's why they are just launching the token inside Ethereum and then launching the token inside Uniswap. Uniswap is the decentralized exchange of Ethereum. PancakeSwap is the decentralized exchange of Binance Smart Chain. Breaking news update. So split the word ICE network may join Ethereum monthly from December 23 to ICE mainnet launch on October 7, 2024. So one thing I should tell you in here, these things is going to just complete in the time frame of December or early January. It means that everyone will complete their KYC step 1, I can say next month or in the month of January, and then we will see the step 2, whether this month, next month, even in the month of January, we will see the KYC step 2. That's why make sure to complete your KYC step 1 because the KYC step 2 is coming soon. As you can see, estimated time frame is middle December or early January. So between this time frame, we will see these points. Okay, further, you can see ICE Open Mainnet is going to launch after 7 October 2024 because the phase 2 is going to start. Now we are in the phase 1. So in this phase 1, in this time frame of phase 1, we will see the token listing inside Uniswap. We will see the token launching inside Ethereum blockchain. But we don't know the exact time. So in our ongoing efforts to ensure a secure and authentic environment, we have implemented a mandatory daily face recognition step for all mining sections. This quick process is a key part of maintaining the integrity and value of the ICE network. So that's why I told you, developer just want everyone to just verify their face every day because ICE network, the developers don't need quantity. They only need quality. So that's why everyone should need to complete their face verification every day. So ICE is more than just a project. It is a community built on trust and active participation. Our approach is not about airdropping coins. It's about investing time and efforts. A few minutes daily for face recognition is a small but essential commitment to our collective success. So remember, ICE is about quality, not just quantity. We have invested heavily to create an ad-free, user-centric experience. Your daily participation is a small but significant contribution to our shared success. Of course, your daily participation is very small. Only within 1 minute you can verify your face verification. You can just start a new mining section. But this small participation can help ICE network developer to just To just I can say delete those fake accounts, to just remove those fake accounts from the ICE network ecosystem. So ICE sets itself apart with its high standard and unique tap to mine model. Our strict approach to user authenticity is why ICE will thrive where others may not. So that's why developers just want you to verify your face verification daily. I told you, developers just want itself to just miners should verify your face every day because they are just checking which account is real, which account is fake. You know, if you are having more than one account, so of course your other account will be lock up, your other account will be deleted. So that's why make sure to just use only one account, verify it, complete your KYC, continuously just mine ICE token. So ICE network, you can only have one registered device per person at a time. So if during the verification process KYC, ICE network identifies multiple registered devices for the same identity, so then only the first registered device will be considered and other accounts will be locked up. So only your first account that you verified, so only you will have that account. Your other accounts will be locked up, will be removed from the ICE network ecosystem. So finally, the ICE network, the new update is available. Make sure to just upgrade or update your mobile application. In here, you can see you're up to date. Make sure to check it. If the update is available for you, just update your application. So this is all about ICE network. A new updates about the ICE network token listing, even about face verification, why you need to just verify your face every day. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So what is your thought about token listing? What is your thought about this update? Let me know in the comment section. I will be happy. I will appreciate to just like the video, to just share your thoughts in the comment section. Even share this video so that every ICE network users should know about this update. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate your efforts. So don't forget to smash the like button to any all-time high. Just destroy the like button. If still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.